there, Jess in the Rada Kitchen. Thanks for joining us. With summer upon us right now, we are going to take advantage of all of this delicious fruit and whip up a fruit salad with some feta cheese, fresh mint, and a balsamic reduction at the end. We're going to start with carving up our watermelon. All right, so to make life easier on us, we have a big seedless watermelon here. I'm just going to cut it in half. There we go. And you can use as much or as little as you want, probably about 2 to 3 cups. So I'm just going to score our watermelon into some big chunks here. You can do this from the outside as well, through that skin. It's an easy way to cut it up in the summer, especially for a kid's treat. And just toss all that juicy goodness into our bowl. All right, so I switched over to my heavy paring knife, and we are going to just slice up our peaches. You could use nectarines or apricots in this too. One more. And now for our cantaloupe. You could use muskmelon or honeydew melon here. Honeydew melon would be really good in this also. All right, let's go ahead and scoop out the center here with my ice cream scoop. Just pop that out. And then I'm gonna cut this in half and score it, just like we did with our watermelon. Trying not to cut all the way through the rind. And just make sure it's cut all the way through. There we go. And into our bowl. Now for our super simple dressing for our fruit salad, I'm going to use a little bit of blue agave. You could use honey. And then I'm using a balsamic vinegar reduction. We're just going to drizzle that on. And then finally, I'm using some fresh mint leaves that we're just going to tear up. You could use basil in this as well. That would be delicious. And last but not least, we are going to top this off with our tangy, salty feta cheese. And I know this might sound like an odd combination. It is so refreshing, and it's a great updated twist on just kind of your boring old summer fruit salad. And there we go. So all in all, this took us probably about 5 minutes to whip together. Perfect to bring to your next picnic or outside get together. Thanks so much for joining us today. Be sure to check us out at radacutlery.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more great and easy recipes just like this one.